In the wake of the pandemic, in-person professional events have come roaring back. Inside international hubs like Bangkok, tens of thousands of professionals are navigating high-density rooms to meet face-to-face. The goal in these rooms is to build a professional network. This is a tangible asset, relationship capital, and it is built strictly through the exchange of information. But right at the moment of connection, the process bottlenecks. Two people end up staring at their phones for an awkward 2 minutes, trying to figure out how to actually swap their details. We have paper business cards, QR codes, LinkedIn profiles, and WhatsApp numbers. Having all these options simultaneously has created friction instead of efficiency. Because the formats don't match, the data gets lost. Paper cards go into desk drawers, and QR code screenshots get buried deep in camera rolls. We have more connection tools at our disposal than at any point in history, yet the literal flow of value between professionals is breaking down right at the point of physical contact. Alice learned this through brute force. She started coding at 13 and spent her early years entirely absorbed in computers, eventually realizing that limiting herself to screens was limiting her human growth and education. When she moved to Bangkok to run a software agency, she arrived with zero local connections. She had to manually decode the rules of human interaction to survive. She prioritized genuine curiosity, hosted consistent in-person events, and systematically built a global professional community of over 3,000 members. Yet, even a highly successful community builder hit a scaling wall. Managing that much relationship capital meant spending hours on manual data entry after every single event.
The reason most digital networking apps fail to solve this problem is that they rely on both people using the exact same standard. Traditional digital business cards require a double opt-in, or they demand that professionals abandon their ingrained habits to download something new. Since you can't force strangers to change their habits, software must bridge the gap from one side only. This is asymmetric adoption. An asymmetric system accepts any input format from the counterparty without friction. Whether they hand over a paper card, dictate a WhatsApp number, or flash a LinkedIn QR code, the system absorbs it. To fix networking, technology must invisibly adapt to chaotic human behavior, rather than demanding humans adapt to the technology. This is exactly how Alice designed the Conexa platform, as a centralized data aggregator built to capture that asymmetric flow. The process begins at ingestion. A user scans different raw formats into a single pipeline. Next is AI enrichment, automatically hunting down associated profiles to complete the missing data. Finally, contextual tagging permanently stamps the interaction with specific event geolocation. The person whose data was scanned never had to download the app for this architecture to work. This architecture organizes a fragmented pile of contacts into a searchable, actionable database. If you think of a professional network like an information highway, the value of that network only exists if data actually moves from one node to another. Centralized systems eliminate the administrative delay between the initial handshake and the critical follow-up message. AI serves a specific role here. It guards the human connection against the inevitable decay caused by administrative friction. Despite all this digital efficiency, true trust and relationship capital cannot be engineered remotely. Look at international hubs like Bangkok. The dense physical infrastructure of the city reflects a reality of business. Physical presence is irreplaceable. The formula for modern professional success is highly practical. You automate the administration so you can personally engage in the actual human interaction. Technology can manage the data, but you still have to be brave enough to step away from the screen, show up to the room, and extend your hand.